everyone and welcome to GobbledyCook. Today's dish is a quick, easy and delicious treat. Doi chingri bhape, steamed shrimps in a spicy yogurt curry with the punch of pungent mustard oil. Let's get gobbledygooking. Heat some mustard oil in a pan to smoking point. Add some sliced onions and saute for a minute. Add some ginger garlic paste. Saute until the raw flavor goes away and the onions are lightly brown. I have some shrimps here that I have peeled, cleaned and deveined. I have also removed the tails, but if you want, you can keep the tails on. I'll marinate this with some salt, some pepper and some lime juice. I'm going to mix everything well. I have used jumbo-sized shrimps or large shrimps for this recipe, but you can make this with medium-sized shrimps as well. I'm just going to let this marinate for about 30 minutes. Let's now prepare the main yogurt marinade by adding yogurt, mustard oil, ground mustard powder, ground poppy seed powder, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, Garam Masala powder, coriander powder, some sugar and salt to taste. Give everything a nice mix to form a smooth paste. Now add the sauteed onions and mix everything together. Add the marinated shrimps, mix well. Take the container in which you want to steam the dish, drizzle in some mustard oil and brush well to coat on all sides. Place the shrimps in the container. Add some water to the remaining marinade and pour this in. Mix everything together. Drizzle some additional mustard oil for an added punch. Add some slit green chilies according to your desired level of heat. Cover the container. Let's set up a steamer on the stove top. Please see the description box for equipment that we prefer. Once the water starts boiling, place in the container with the shrimps. The level of water should be below the rim of the container so that the water does not get inside. Steam on medium-low heat for about 25 to 30 minutes. Take off the heat and remove the lid carefully. Delicious doi chingri bhape is ready to be consumed. Serve with some hot white rice.